How to get a personal loan when you have a low CIBIL score. Welcome to another video of Khata Learn series by Khatabook. In the previous video, we saw what a CIBIL score is and how to improve it. In this video, we are going to explain how to get a loan for someone with a low CIBIL score. Credit score plays a vital role during the loan approval process. A high credit score not only ensures quick dispersal of a loan, but it also helps in getting a loan at lower rate of interest. Though it's true that a low credit score indicates poor creditworthiness of the borrower and makes it difficult to get a loan, there are some ways through which one can get a loan even with low credit score. Present evidence of income to support loan repayment ability. Most lenders consider other factors such as your current salary or income sources along with your credit score. If you have a low credit rating, you can still provide bank statements with evidence of a hike in your salary, annual bonuses, or other additional income sources. This proves that you are financially secure enough to repay the loan on time. This will help you get approval faster for your loan repayment. Apply for a loan from an NBFC, non-banking financial company. Multiple hard inquiries may negatively affect your credit score. And also, in case of your application gets rejected, the chances are high in case of commercial banks. It may further downgrade your CIBIL score. So it's better to apply for a loan from an NBFC as they tend to have more relaxed policies towards customers with low credit scores. However, an important thing to note here is that the interest rate charged by NBFCs are higher than what is offered by banks. Opt for a low personal loan amount. The lender may consider you a risky customer if you are borrowing a huge sum of money with poor credit score. You can opt for a lower amount and repay it regularly to build a higher credit score. This will earn the lender's trust in your credit worthiness and you can go back for a loan of a higher amount. Also, repayment of a lower amount will be easier on your pocket. Get a guarantor or apply for a joint loan. Even if you have a low CIBIL score or are new to credit, you can get approved for a loan faster with a co-applicant or a guarantor. Provided the guarantor has good credit history and high credit score, the lender will be more inclined to help you with a better deal on the loan amount. Ensure that you have the right permissions and complete the required KYC formalities. Apply for a secured loan. Another easy way is to apply against some collateral to secure the loan repayment. This can be against collateral like gold or privately owned property or other valuable assets. There are some banks and financial institutions which easily offer loans to low credit score holders, provided you apply for a mortgage-backed loan. Assets such as property, gold, fixed deposits, etc. are generally accepted by lenders as collateral to disperse a secured loan even to applicants with a low CIBIL score. Resolve errors in your credit report. Often there are genuine cases when there have been errors or misreporting on your credit report. Check your CIBIL score once in 6 months to ensure that such errors are not happening and your credit report is updated. Your credit score can be low even when you are a victim of fraud. Take immediate measures to report the fraud or crime with your banking partners so it doesn't affect your CIBIL rating. Discuss with your lender. If you have a bad CIBIL or credit score due to some genuine financial hardships in the past, then in such case, you can directly discuss with your banker with whom you have been associated for a long time. This may enable you to get better credit terms with a poorer credit score. Also, if there is any improvement in your financial status like a hike in salary or a more secure job, then showing evidence of the same increases your chances of getting your loan application approved. This is it guys, so the next time you worry about low CIBIL score and loans, you can try these ways to secure a loan. We hope you liked our video. Keep watching Khata Learn for more.